Hello, and welcome. Today, I want to talk to you about something powerful: how to visualize, think, and grow rich. This isn't about simply wishing for wealth, it's about understanding how your mind works and how you can tap into its incredible power to create the life you desire. You see, the first step to attracting wealth is recognizing that everything begins with thought. Our thoughts shape our reality, and if we can control our thoughts, we can control our lives. But there's more to it than just thinking about money. The process goes deeper, and it starts with clarity. When you think about wealth, what does it mean to you? What does it look like? It's not enough to just think of money in abstract terms. You must create a detailed mental picture of what that wealth looks like in your life. Visualization is a tool. It's not just imagining something, it's experiencing it with your mind. When you think of wealth, picture yourself already living in abundance. Feel the emotions that would come with it. This isn't a passive process. Your thoughts and feelings must align. You must feel the richness of the life you desire, not as a distant dream but as your current reality. But here's where many people get stuck: they think they must work harder or sacrifice more to attain wealth. The truth is, it's not about doing more, it's about being more. To grow rich, you must first grow into a person who can hold that wealth. You must grow your mindset. This is where thinking differently comes in. You must think in ways that align with abundance. You must become the person who attracts wealth naturally, and that begins with changing the way you see the world and yourself. So, what does this mean in practical terms? It means you must start to think from the end. What I mean by that is, instead of thinking about how to get from where you are to where you want to be, you must think as though you have already arrived. You must assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. When you do this, the universe begins to rearrange itself to make that vision a reality. If you're skeptical, let me assure you, this is not wishful thinking. It's the law of the mind. The thoughts you constantly entertain are the thoughts that shape your reality. The more vividly you can imagine yourself living in wealth, the more you can expect that wealth to manifest in your life. And this is not just about financial wealth, this applies to all areas of your life. Whether it's health, relationships, or success, the same principle holds true. But here's a key part of the process: you must persist. Visualization alone will not bring your desires to fruition. It's not enough to simply imagine your wealth once or twice. You must continue to nurture that mental image. You must believe in it fully. In fact, the more you believe, the quicker it will manifest. The universe responds to the energy of belief. If you truly believe you are worthy of wealth, that you deserve to be rich, and that wealth is already on its way, the energy you put out into the world will reflect that. It's also important to note that your current circumstances are not an indicator of your potential. You might be in a place where it seems like wealth is a distant dream, but this is only temporary. The more you cultivate the mindset of abundance, the sooner you will begin to notice opportunities and changes in your external world that reflect your internal transformation. Don't get discouraged by setbacks, they are just part of the process. Every successful person has faced challenges, but what sets them apart is their unwavering belief that their vision is already on its way. Another crucial aspect of thinking and growing rich is understanding that wealth is not just about accumulating material things. True richness is about living a full life. It's about having the freedom to do what you love, to share your gifts with the world, and to experience the world in a way that aligns with your highest self. When you begin to see wealth as a tool for living a richer, more meaningful life, your relationship with money changes. It no longer becomes something you chase, but something that flows to you effortlessly. The way to invite this abundance into your life is by taking inspired action. When you begin to think and feel rich, opportunities will begin to show up. You will be guided to take the steps that will lead you to wealth, but you must be willing to act on those inspirations. When you feel an intuitive nudge to make a change, follow it. Trust that the steps you take, guided by your inner knowing, will lead you closer to your goal. Now, let's talk about the power of belief. You must believe in your vision so strongly that there's no room for doubt. Doubt is a powerful force, but belief is even stronger. When you can hold a belief that wealth is yours to claim, you will be amazed at how quickly it begins to flow into your life. Wealth is not reserved for a select few, it is available to everyone. It is your birthright. But you must first accept it in your mind before you can see it in your life. The key to visualizing, thinking, and growing rich is not about forcing your desires into existence. It's about allowing them to unfold naturally as you align with the energy of abundance. The more you can believe in your worth and the more you can see yourself as deserving of wealth, the more wealth will show up in your life. The universe will bring you what you desire, but only if you first bring your desires into your mind and heart with full faith and belief. Let's touch on the importance of living in a state of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for attracting wealth. When you are grateful for what you already have, you signal to the universe that you are ready for more. Gratitude opens the door for abundance to flow into your life. So, take a moment each day to express gratitude for the wealth you have and the wealth that is on its way. It might not show up immediately, but that doesn't matter. What matters is that you are preparing your mind and spirit to receive it. Visualization is not just about picturing wealth, it's about becoming the person who attracts it. When you change the way you think, when you begin to see yourself as already abundant, the universe will respond in kind. Wealth will come to you in ways you never imagined, and it will continue to flow as long as you maintain that mindset of abundance. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful. By visualizing, thinking, and growing rich, you are tapping into the vast potential of your mind. So, take a moment now to close your eyes and begin to picture the life you want. Feel it. See it. Believe it. When you do this, you are setting the wheels of manifestation into motion. The wealth you seek is already on its way. The more you can believe it, the faster it will come. Persistence isn't just about doing the same thing over and over again, it's about having an unwavering belief in your ability to create the wealth you desire, regardless of external circumstances. The external world may not always reflect your inner vision right away, but that doesn't mean that your efforts are not paying off. Everything in the material world first takes shape in the mind. It's important to give your vision time to materialize. Wealth is not built overnight. The universe has a way of arranging things behind the scenes, and though it may take time for you to see the full result of your efforts, trust that every thought, belief, and action is working in harmony to bring your vision to life. Along with this is the importance of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful energies that you can align yourself with when manifesting wealth. When you focus on what you are grateful for, you begin to train your mind to see the abundance around you. This shifts your perspective from lack to abundance. It may be helpful to start your day with a simple practice of gratitude. Reflect on the things in your life that you are thankful for. This could be anything from your health, your relationships, the opportunities before you, or the small wins that have already come your way. Gratitude shifts your vibration and sends out a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive even more. When you start to see the signs of abundance in your life, it's crucial not to take them for granted. Even the smallest indications that you are moving in the right direction are worth celebrating. Each step you take toward your goal, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired outcome. So, take a moment to recognize these small victories and give yourself credit for the work you've done. Acknowledge the progress you've made, and know that this momentum is leading you to greater things.